Hello everyone. Um, Hello everyone. Are you a project manager? Are you a project planner, a scheduler, project engineer, site engineer, quality control engineer, quantity surveyor, discipline engineer, project manager, construction manager, scheduling coordinator, business analyst, even a young engineer or a fresh graduate eager to connect better with your project management or delivery team? Or are you a PMP or you are about to write your APMP exam at the moment, or probably um, you are looking for to write your PMP or ACP or APMP exam, or maybe you are just a newcomer, to project planning, scheduling, or project control, or you or plan to become a planning engineer, or simply someone that is interested in learning essential of planning software such as Primavera P6 or Master Power Project or um, Microsoft or Microsoft Project. Perhaps you might actually uh, be a planner and you want to really understand the use of Primavera P6, because not all planner knows how to use Primavera P6, and you are aiming to create a reliable schedule without the worry that something crucial might go wrong. So, if you belong to any of these category that I've listed or I've mentioned earlier, then this training is designed for you. Whether you are new to project planning or looking to fine tune your project management skill with tools or softwares like P6 Power Project, Asta Power Project, Microsoft Projects, or other planning softwares. Although planning softwares is not limited to PCs, and planning itself goes beyond using Primavera P6. But in order for you to have more understanding or of how the entire process works, I believe PCs is very essential and crucial to someone that is aiming to become a project planner, or someone that is aiming to become a planning engineer, or you might actually uh, be working in this you might actually be working as a project planner or a scheduler, but still don't know how to use the advanced pieces. So then I believe this training is actually designed for you, as I mentioned earlier. And what you are going to learn on this channel is you will learn how to use Primavera P6 and even the advanced Excel, how to use PCs. You'll learn the basic, the advanced, and also will introduce you to other essential, um, not software, or I can still mention or state that it's a software like Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, how to present your schedule, how to present your report, hand value management. So these and many more are the things that we'll be looking at on this channel. And again, being a Primavera Pieces expert and having been working in the industry for close to 2 decades now, I believe you'll gain confidence and expertise not just with the tools itself, but the skills, to plan, schedule, monitor, control your project in any organization or industry sector such as construction, oil and gas, energy, water treatment project, roads or infrastructure. My experience actually cross cut across all this sector, and I believe you will learn a lot on this channel. Um, Moving forward, here are the things that you will learn on this channel. Primavera P6 Core Concept, where we'll be covering the fundamentals that will help you navigate the software with ease, from understanding the core principle of planning itself, then Primavera P6, and um, how to install Primavera P6 Professional and getting set up. Workspace setup, I'll walk you through the customizing your workspace, the essential layout that you would need to prepare a baseline schedule, and it may vary, but I will put you through how to customize your workspace as I mentioned, so as to fit to your need perfectly, and show you around the main menu to keep you oriented and ready to jump into project planning. Now, what are the essential things that you will learn from P6? From the scratch is what we are going to teach you. I'll be teaching you um, how to create a schedule, you know, from the ground up, like from the EPS, how to establish EPS. We'll start with defining enterprise project structure, which is what you have on the screen. We have these are just sample projects, but on this channel again, we work together, we'll create a schedule together, then creating a work breakdown structure which looks like this. Let's just try to open. Yeah, I think I've got a project open at the moment. Let me adjust this. So this is like what WBS looks like. And what does WBS, what does it mean? Work breakdown structure, this actually help you to organize all your project activities within the same work package or deliverable, you know. So after that, what are the things you are still going to learn? You will still learn more, and part of the things you are still going to learn includes adding activities, building relationship. You learn how to add, organize, structure your activities under your WBS, you know. Then we establish relationship between tasks. I mean, between activities, we establish relationship, and we thought more. Also, we will discuss about how to define our duration, our activity, then types of relationship we have. We have 4 different types of relationship. We'll be discussing about that as well. Talk about finish to start. When can we use finish to start, and what does finish to start? What does that mean? So these are the things we'll be looking at, and these are part of the things we'll be discussing on this channel. Not just that, again, we'll be looking into smooth transition between dependencies that reflect your project workflow. Not just that, again, we'll still be discussing about scheduling and assigning constraint. From scheduling basic to applying constraint, we will cover everything you need to create well-structured timeline for your project, and how do you monitor your project. I mean, sorry for that. So we'll be talking about control and monitoring of project. updating and monitor and maintaining your schedule also will keep your project timeline up to date. Talking about um, scheduling parts and some other stuff that we'll be discussing, like what we mentioned earlier, and how to maintain a clear view of project progress, you know, with regular updates. Our update could be on a weekly basis, it could be on a monthly basis, it could be fortnightly, depends on what's the client, what exactly the client wants, or the consultant, or what how does the project manager want us to reflect the schedule. So these are many more is what we will be discussing on this channel. And after that, we will also be looking at project monitoring and um, reporting. We'll talk about project performance monitoring. We'll show you how to generate a print report that gives a snapshot of your project health or project status, which you might actually want to present to your management or the project stakeholders. And also, not limited to that, we'll be discussing about the CPM, method, critical path method to identify the total float, free float, the critical path, ensuring just for us to ensure that you are on top of any schedule risk or bottleneck that may affect the project completion or that may jeopardize the project completion of your project. So these are the things we'll be discussing. Again, it's not limited to that. There are still many more things that we'll be looking at. But yeah, I think those are the first things. Those are the first step of things we'll be discussing on this channel. Then I think my next video I will talk more about how we are going to um, collaborate and how we are going to match these things together. So it's going to be a continuation from today's discussions, and we'll talk more about it on my next video. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Project Planning Academy. Thank you for listening. See you on the next one. Bye.